Hi everyone, welcome to my third daily edition. In this daily edition, I'll be presenting what I found in relations between portfolio returns and time value of money after studying the two case studies that were randomly generated. Alright, so there are two things that I want to present in this DE3. First are the formulas for time value of money and portfolio returns, and second is the main difference and my own explanation on what these mean. Alright, so let's start with the formulas. The formulas. Time value of money is PV or present value equals future value divided by parentheses 1 plus R to the power of n. So this formula is essentially telling us how much our money will be worth in the future. Now let's move on to the portfolio returns. Return on portfolio equals weights multiplied by returns in parentheses and this weird symbol, I guess. So the portfolio returns is basically telling us to weigh the impact of the asset to the total portfolio and how much money it brings. So here is what the difference that I found out. So time value of money is like a timeline in which it tells us how much our money is going to be worth. So let's say somebody offers us $100 today or $100 in like a month. Now, if we use time value of money, we actually understand that the timeline that goes between that 1 month can be used to invest our $100 in order to create something of bigger value. Now, the portfolio return is more of like a pie chart in which we calculate the weights and the returns so that even if a small part of our total portfolio fails, our other parts can still cover for that part and we ultimately make more money on it. Now, what are the similarities between these? Both of these help us understand more about the value of our money and our assets, because time value of money works really well with the portfolio returns, and that is why it was included in the worksheet. Time value of money actually provides the timeline and gives us an idea of how much we have to wait for our portfolio returns to be effective and generate as much profit as possible. Now, in conclusion, that was the differences and similarities I found out based on the case studies. Thank you for listening and have a great day. Bye.